Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the PNG preview not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with PNG previews not displaying correctly in Windows 11 File Explorer, we have a straightforward solution. First, open File Explorer. Look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Folder Options. Once the Folder Options window appears, navigate to the View tab. Within the View tab, you will find two important settings to adjust. Ensure that the option Display File Icon on Thumbnails is checked. Crucially, make sure the option, which states Always Show Icons Never Thumbnails, is unchecked. This first option, Always Show Icons Never Thumbnails, must definitely be unchecked for previews to function. After making these adjustments, click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. Now, to test the fix, go back to the View menu in File Explorer and select Preview pane. You should now see the PNG previews appearing correctly. If the previews are still not showing, try switching between different view modes, and you will likely start noticing the thumbnails appearing as expected. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.